Hello, I am M. Yusufdi Meman from Matiari. Today I teach you exercise 7 of unit 5.1 health problems caused by mosquitoes of English class 9 new course. Dear students, in this exercise there are totally 10 questions. After reading this text, you have to answer these questions. But today I have solved these questions for you, so please listen very carefully. Question number 1. What are the most common diseases caused by mosquito bites? The most common diseases caused by mosquito bites are malaria, dengue and chikungunya. This is the answer of question number 1. Now, question number 2. Which specific part of the body becomes high infected in cerebral malaria? The answer of this question is brain becomes high infected in cerebral malaria. Question number 3. What can lead to severe liver infection when one has malaria? This is the question number 3. The answer of this question is patients may suffer from constipation, kidney dysfunction, and disorientation. Now question number 4. How is immune system affected through dengue? How is immune system affected through dengue? Answer of this question is dengue virus attacks white blood cells and other antibodies, which leads to affecting immune system. The dengue virus attacks white blood cells. In this way, immune system is affected. Now, question number 5. How often can one get infected with chikungunya by mosquito? How often can one infected with chikungunya? Why? The answer of this question is one can get infected with chikungunya by mosquito bite, because mosquitoes breed and live on stagnant or polluted water. In another way, one can also get infected when the mosquito first bites the infected person and then bites him. There are two ways of getting infection of chikungunya. First, the infected mosquito bites the person. In this way, person gets infected. And the other way of getting infection is when mosquito bites a person who is already infected with chikungunya, and after that, the same mosquito bites another person. In this way, the other person also gets infected. Question number 6. Which two of the three diseases have similar symptoms? What are these? Which two of these three diseases have similar symptoms? And what are these similar symptoms? The answer of this question is chikungunya and dengue have similar symptoms. Both display joint pain, fever and headache. These are three similar symptoms: joint pain, fever and headache. Question number 7. How often does one have fever and chills when one has malaria? The answer of this question is One has a fever and chills after every 2 days when one has malaria. After every 2 days. Question number 6. How do all these diseases affect our life? The answer of this question is they affect the quality of our work. Question number 9. How can we protect ourselves from these 3 diseases? How can we protect ourselves from these 3 diseases? The answer of this question is we should take all possible steps to protect ourselves from these diseases. This is the answer of question number 9. Now, question number 10. What should we do if we want recover quickly from these diseases? What should we do if we want to recover quickly from these diseases? The answer of this question is we should seek immediate medical help. We should seek immediate medical help if we observe symptoms of these diseases. Thank you very much.